Hello my super spy friends! Today I'll show you how to send a fake live location in WhatsApp. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So first off, open up your Play Store and search for this application, iMyFone Any2. Now install this app which is named Fake Location Spoofer. Install. Once the app is installed, don't open it right away. Keep in mind that to send fake live locations, you have to enable developer options first. The way how you do activate developer options is very dependent on the Android version. For example, in my device, this is Settings, About Device, Version number. I need to tap 7 times, but I'm already a developer here. On some other models like Samsung Galaxy series, you need open Settings, find About Phone, Software Information, and tap 7 times on Build Number and unlock your screen. So anyways, find out how to enable developer options on your device and let's go ahead. So this is my phone back again with the mock location app installed. So let's go to System and Update, Developer Options. And in the developer options, use search, or if you don't have search, scroll all the way down to the location section and tap on select mock location app, tap on Any2. And now we can go back to Play Store and open our application. Now let's agree. Next, get started. Allow location while using the app, allow notifications. Now let's skip this quick tips. I see. Okay. And let's set our fake location now. Let's move from Prague, Czech Republic, let's say to Dresden. I haven't been to Dresden yet. Now tap and hold on any spot on the map. Now you see the location label. Now you can select the movement mode, teleport, navigation, jump, or multi-spot. Let's select navigation, which means it will show that I move from point A to point B. So tap on navigation, select the movement speed, circulation, repeat it 1 or 2 or more times, and tap on move. Sad but true, all that applications are paid, but this one has one trial for each movement type. So let's go back. Navigation 1 time, get trial. Now you have to watch advertising, 29, 26. Now once you see a reward granted, close the advertising. Allow floating windows to display for the function to work properly. Okay, allow permissions. Go to Any2. Allow display our other apps. Go back once again. Advertising once again. Tap on continue to app at the top. And now, as you can see, I'm moving from Prague to Dresden. I have this fake route. Now, all you need is just minimize the application, don't close it. Close everything, close settings, and let's go to WhatsApp. This is our floating window, and let's send our live location to someone. So tap on the paperclip icon, select location. And as you can see, I'm moving over here. So share live location, continue, and the location is shared. And that's pretty it, guys. Let's just tap on the send button. Now the receiver has my fake location, and if something goes wrong in this application, actually you can try to use some similar ones. Now let's open Play Store, search for something like fake location or mock location or something like this. And there are a lot of applications just like that, and just try. Maybe you will find some free one, but I don't think so. So just try which application works with your device better and enjoy your fake locations. Surprise your friends. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.